So this video is basically related to human relation and behavioral approach. So from the word itself mean that both the approaches are related to human being. ठीक? Main focus is to study how an individual behaves in different scenarios, yeah, in different conditions. So the basic difference between human relation and behavioral approach is that human relation approach is a narrow approach, means it is only concerned with individual needs and his behavior. This approach also considers that conflict which happens in an organization is a negative thing, and in all kind of situation we need to avoid such kind of conflict. So human relationship is a narrower approach, whereas a behavioral approach is a wider approach. Here also we can see the first difference, that this approach is focused on interpersonal relationship, meaning if in any organization, say suppose 5 people are working, so the relationship between among them, say suppose A, B, C, D, E, 5 people are working over there, the relationship between A and B, B and C, C and D, means people, small sort of relationship is considered, interpersonal relationship is considered in this approach. This approach focuses on individual needs and behavior, not in groups. Second, in this approach, conflict is organization is taken as negatively and efforts are made to avoid it. Means this approach believes that a school of organizational behavior which believe that conflict is not good, and in order to make the organization progressive, we need to avoid any sort of conflicts. Another, this approach is given by Elton Mayo and Hawthorne experiment. Now we come to behavioral science approach. Behavioral science approach is a more, you can say, a refined form of approach. It takes the positive from human relation approach, and it combines those positive for the betterment of the organization. So here we study the behavior of a group, not an individual. It emphasizes on group behavior and group relationship in an organization. Suppose there are various teams, so the behavior of a team or the behavior of whole organization, the people who are working in the organization, when we are studying that, so that kind of thing we study into behavioral science approach. Second, this approach also considered conflict as a good thing, because with the help of conflict we can negotiate among different options, and consequently we can choose those options which are beneficial for the organization. So under this approach, conflict is considered as a good thing as compared to human relation approach. It refines human relation approach and has a wider scope, because it is a more refined form of human relation approach, because it focuses on group, because it take into account the various theories of organizational behavior. So this approach is much wider as compared to the human relation approach. And these are the people like Maslow, McGregor, Likert, Keith Davis, Blake Monton, who were the pioneer in propagating this approach. So when, suppose if I take an example of an organization, say Ramswarup University. So Ramswarup University is an organization where there are so many people of different religion, different culture are working together. So if we want to try to study the behavior of such kind of organization, then we will be using behavioral science approach, because we will be studying the behavior of a whole group, not an individual. We study that if we take any kind of decision, what will be the impact of such decision on the overall organization, not an individual. If we are studying individual, then we are studying human relation approach, but if we are studying on the whole group, then we are focusing on the behavioral science approach. Suppose during the time of this COVID-19, so at the time of COVID-19, all the faculties, all the students are studying through e-learning, through internet. So in that case, such decisions are affecting the whole community. So in such kind of decision, we will be, if we want to study the behavior of faculties or the students or the employees, then we are concerning about the behavioral science approach. So human relation approach is a narrower approach which focus only on individual behavior, needs, etc. Whereas the behavioral science approach is a wider approach. It focus on the needs of the whole group. Okay, so these are the basic difference between the two approaches, which are human relation and behavioral approach. From the word itself, human relation focus on interpersonal relationship, individual behavior, individual preferences, attitude, whereas behavioral science approach focused on the group. Behavioral science approach is wider, human approach is narrower, Behavioral science approach says conflict is good. Human relation approach says conflict is bad. So these are the basic difference between human relation and behavioral approach. Hopefully